Hey, welcome back to Brush and Beyond. Today we're heading straight into the woods. Dark night, deep forest, a glowing tent, fireflies dancing all around. Sounds dreamy, right? Let's bring this magical camping scene to life with a fun twist. We're using a custom embroidery style brush for that stitched glowing look. Let's go. First things first, we're making our own brush. Open a square canvas. Duplicate the monoline brush. Go to Properties and set the maximum size to 600%. Change the canvas background to black. Set brush size to 50% and draw a clean horizontal line across the center. Swipe down with 3 fingers, copy all. In the brush settings, go to Shape, Shape Source, Import and Paste. Set rotation to follow stroke. Adjust shape roundness a bit. In stroke path, set spacing to 70%. Under stabilization, set to 50%. Back to Properties, set maximum size to 300%. Give it a cool name. And done. Brush ready. Let's get the scene down with a rough sketch. New layer, white color, monoline brush. Starting with the tent at the center. Add some tall trees, a tiny camper boy, his pet, and of course, grass. Once the sketch is done, lower the opacity. Time for the magic to begin. Select our custom brush size 4%, and pick a brown shade. Start with the tree trunks. Tip: use a lighter brown for the side facing the tent and darker brown for the back. Creates a glowing effect. Now, let's add green. Same light to dark trick for a nice glow fade. Time to color the tent. Next, outlining the boy and his pet with 2% brush size, just a thin guide. Let's build up the grass, again using light to dark to keep things glowy. Ready for the real glow? Let's do it. Add a new layer below the tent. Use Monoline Plus Bright Yellow to outline the tent base. Fill the shape, then go to Adjustments Gaussian Blur. Lower opacity to 60%. Boom, glowy tent. Now let's add shadow silhouettes for the boy and pet. Create a layer below them. Fill with soft gray. Blur it slightly and drop opacity to around 25%. Instant shadow depth. Tiny white yellow dots, fireflies. Duplicate layer, apply Gaussian blur. Can you see that glow? So dreamy. Using my custom dots brush to add wings and details. Check out the brush tutorial, link in description. Add trails and swirls, and our fireflies come alive. Grab monoline plus orange and draw buntings on the tent. Reduce opacity to blend them in. Merge all layers. Add soft edge detailing. And voila, our glowing camp scene is done. If you love this magical forest vibe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Brush and Beyond.